Hello beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing good. In this video I will discuss about benefits of cinnamon in coffee. Creamer, milk, whole or skim, sugar, or even butter, you've probably added at least one of these to your coffee to make it taste better at some point. If you are looking for something sweet, try a new twist with a cinnamon stick. This short, sharp spice can do so much more than make coffee taste better, and I have 10 examples for you to consider. 1. Cinnamon protects against high blood sugar. If you prefer something sweet to your coffee, cinnamon is a better option over sugar. Spice not only prevents calories and harmful effects of sugar, but also helps the entire body by slowing down blood sugar spikes after eating, enhancing the body's insulin production, and preventing and alleviating inflammation of tissues and joints, according to a University of Georgia research report. 2. Cinnamon can soothe cold symptoms. Hot drinks are a perfect way to soothe a sore throat, and cinnamon just increases the pain-relieving consistency. As Daily Roots mentions, drinking cinnamon in hot beverages, such as coffee, expands and clears the sinuses and decreases the development of mucus, two of the most irritating symptoms of common cold. 3. You'll get a bigger energy boost. Cinnamon gives you an extra boost of energy when mixed with coffee, according to the Huffington Post. While cinnamon works to keep your blood sugar levels steady, it also helps to balance your energy levels, prevent the sugar spike, and prevent exhaustion from happening with meals and snacks. So, while the coffee is working to make you feel good, the cinnamon you are adding will take care of you. 4. Cinnamon is good for your heart. In the same Penn State research study described earlier, the research team found that cinnamon reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. Simply put, it decreases unhealthy triglycerides that cause clogged arteries and other heart-related health problems by as much as 30%. 5. Your coffee will taste better. Obviously, dropping cinnamon into your cup of coffee can change your taste, but it won't leave you with the usual flavor of most of the coffee additives. Instead, as Lifehacker notes, you can increase the sweetness of the drink without adding any sugary, diet-busting items. If you're stirring in a teaspoon or two of the spice or adding a cinnamon stick to your cup, both methods will give you a sweet taste. 6. You'll increase your antioxidants. Antioxidants are typically associated with skincare and berries, but cinnamon contains a surprising amount of these beneficial molecules. According to a Penn State research report, cinnamon is a diet-friendly spice due to its strong antioxidant material. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, as Health.com reports, contains as many antioxidants as half a cup of blueberries, one of the most antioxidant-charged foods. 7. Cinnamon puts your brain to work. Caffeine in coffee may be how you get your brain up and going in the morning, but adding cinnamon to your mug can enhance your brain's cognitive functioning, boost brain activity, and help you master your visual and motor reactions. According to research conducted at Wheeling Jesuit University, the simple act of smelling cinnamon helps enhance the processing capabilities, and the ingestion of spices is even more beneficial. The study participants were better able to complete tasks when they consumed cinnamon and increased their overall concentration. So this was the video. I hope you guys loved it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health benefits.